What's up, car community? I hope you guys are having a great day. So today we actually are heading to a car show, and it actually was an invite from the people that are doing the car show, and it's also slash an open house. I do hope you guys enjoyed the videos that I've been posting lately. Please leave comments and suggestions on what you guys actually want to see, and we'll actually try to make those things happen. And if you guys are enjoying the content, please leave a like and don't forget to share. It does help out the channel. So I hope you guys actually enjoyed today's video. If you do, please leave that like and don't forget to share. This gorgeous thing. Four-wheel turn, four-wheel drive. Gorgeous. Jeep for sale. This thing is gorgeous. Look at this thing. No wood, no car. The Nova. You got the Wilwood Big Brake kit. Oh my god. What the the interior is insane. I mean, I can actually see me. Damn it. I can't get the interior. I see my hand. Got chips and drinks. I don't know if the camera can do this justice, but this thing legit has pearls in it. That thing is fire. Nice. Holy moly, donut shop. Only 6 by 10. Jesus.
Sorry. How you guys doing today?
Doing fantastic. How about you?
Good, thank you. My name's Andrew. Do you have any questions? Where are you guys from?
Philadelphia. Custom Toys.
Custom Toys?
Yep.
Oh, really? Makes sense. Thank you. How are you? Guys?
So, oh, look at this. That's crazy.
These wheels are usually really expensive.
What? 300 for today? Bro, that's a deal. That's a steal if I ever saw one. Look at these Motegis. These Motegis, that Motegi? Yeah. Oh, bruh.
I like this color.
That blue is beautiful, but this white hits hard.
I like the green.
Alright, so. Okay. Car wrapped black with this green. Or if not, look. So we have these options literally right here. Green. That's like a soft gold. Gray. Dark blue. White. That dark blue look is nasty.
Yeah, that white beans too. So if they had that big, I wonder what's
What those are, I'll tell you right now. Does it show? They have it on the side somewhere? Nope. Damn it.
What's up? How you doing?
Doing fantastic. Sean, nice to meet you.
Where you from?
Maybe I'll got a couple toys.
Doors?
Yep. I'm actually here with,
Where we went,
Yep.
we went over there.
No, we're actually with Justin. He's in there. Oh, cool. He's trying to find those for that Hellcat Chevy.
Oh, okay.
yeah, we're actually here with the, with one of the members that actually, you guys actually, sell the wheels on our website.
Okay.
With you guys. There it is. Yeah, the man of the hour. Yeah, so we actually sell the wheels on our website. You guys distribute them.
Where you
Yeah,
located?
we are located in Philadelphia, around Aramingo area.
Custom toys?
Yep.
Yes. So right off of the Aramingo exit.
Did you do installs there or is it just your
Yeah, we do installs as well.
We do installs as well. We're working on getting a bigger like tire machine, so we can do it a little bit easier and bigger tires.
We do mount and balance, so you know, if you can't do, you know, a 37-inch tire in your machine, you can deliver it ready to go.
Okay.
So, we got a lot of blowouts, so those the ones down the aisle, those first come, first served. You see something you want, just grab the ticket, grab a salesperson, we'll ring you up. And, we're doing pricing specials, they go over the specials with you. So, we got like stock order special, do 5 grand, do 35 off. 10 grand, 40 off free shipping. Got some tires, you know, some tires that are got some different special prices, not much margin on tires. So, but all our hard goods, big chunk for the stock up for the season. It's a ton to it, 60% off Gorilla, so if you need plug nuts and everything now. Very good deals today.
Awesome. Thank you. It was nice meeting you. Thanks so much.
Likewise. All right. Got the casino set up. I have some food
Yeah.
going soon, so.
Thank you so much. So I'm just letting you guys know we made a bad decision. I'll let you guys figure out which one we actually caught. Thanks to this man over here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and a comment down below on what you want to see next. And stay tuned for the next video coming soon. Peace out, guys.